Hey everybody, it's Mark with G's Bees, and it is February 7th, 2023, and this is what second year, at least, beekeepers should be doing. These are some frames that I had from last year, dead outs or whatever reason they were, and I'm just cleaning them up. So I'm not doing a big super clean on these. I'm just getting this old wax, stuff like this, cleaning up, cleaning the grooves up, because when it's time to put foundation in here and you're in a hurry, if you don't have a good source of ready to go frames, it's just going to be a mess. So I mean, here's one that I've done. You can see I'm just cleaned up here. I'm just using a paint scraper. Your hive tool will do well. Just making sure that they're good and solid, there's no damage. I've got a pile over here that had natural wax in there that I'm just not going to use anymore, so I'm just going to cull those out. It kills me because for every frame there is $2, but at some point in time you need to take care of your equipment and replace it with new stuff. So February, let's get ready for spring bee season.